assure you, as has been said by Senator Karongo and also Senator Methu and KJ, when Safaricom advertises with you, you don't write a single negative story about Safaricom. But government for a long time advertises at 70% in media houses and buys, in fact, for instance, one newspaper whose name I won't mention, but it's the biggest, prints 80,000 copies a day. Out of those 80,000 copies, 64,000 are bought within government and put in government. The rest are sold in the street, and 20,000 comes back as returns. Therefore, we don't have a problem with you writing what you may, and we will defend you for what you write and may. But if you write what is wrong, we will counter you with system of fact and do not complain. Because you can say what you may, but we must say what the church has told us, to unleash our full potential in spirit and in truth. God,
that even our media will have to understand that we are all in one boat, that we cannot afford to sink this ship. If the ship called Kenya sinks, we all sink with it. I am a journalist. I believe in the freedom of press. I believe that they should have the freedom to express themselves. However, they also have a public duty to communicate the truth to the Kenyans. There is a responsibility that the people who broadcast to the people of Kenya must take. At least, kama kitu ni kizuri, tunasema ni kizuri. Mahali kitu ni kibaya, tunakubali ni kibaya na kirekebishwe. Lakini patriotism inasema kama kuna jambo ambalo litajenga taifa, hilo lifanyeni.